So what we got here today is Arrma Outcast. The Arrma Outcast is a 6S LiPo setup. It's come with a brushless motor, a brushless ESC. You need to put your own batteries. You can put a set of two 2S or two 3S for higher performance. Very impressive details on this vehicle, I have to say. It's really nice in and out. It's have a nice metal frame to it. I would say that this car it's a truck, it's not a car, doing about 60 something miles an hour easily. If you look online, some people making speed run with those machines, taking them more than 100 miles an hour. Right now it's available in our shop. We have it for the lowest price ever. Please visit our shop to see that. It's a car for a big boy. It's not for beginner. Definitely not a vehicle for beginner. Again, this is the Arrma Outcast. Like and subscribe our video so we can give you more review and show you more of our vehicles over here. And please support your local hobby shop. You will get a little bit more information and better warranty when you do that than buying it online.